For more than a year and a half, we have been saying this: no fear, just facts. That's how we cover the coronavirus here at WUSA 9. And tonight, all this time later, that is still the case. Thank you for being here with us at 11 o'clock. I'm Lorenzo Hall. The fact is, COVID cases are surging once again as we head into the holidays. The Delta and Omicron variants both fueling those spikes. D.C. just reported 844 new COVID cases in one day, the highest number the city has ever marked during this pandemic. COVID testing lines are long, very long. Look at that, wrapped around the corner in some areas. Some schools taking one step back. Prince George's County announcing kids are going virtual again. The sports world also feeling the impact. The Washington football game scheduled for Sunday, yeah, that's now postponed until Tuesday, all because of COVID-19. I know these developments are top of mind for so many of you tonight. That's why we have team coverage providing you context on all of this. I want to begin in Northwest D.C. with our Mike Valerio. He spent the night checking out some of these COVID testing sites. And Mike, we haven't seen lines like these in a very long time.
Lorenzo, you know, that's exactly right. And to that point, you know, pretty much everybody we spoke with here this evening said it feels like we're back to that same sense of anxiety that we had at the beginning of the pandemic as cases here continue to rise.
I never thought that I'd see this.
Tonight, a winter wave of expected COVID cases sending thousands to get tested.
And I have close family members who tested positive. I haven't had direct contact, but indirect contact with them.
Pat and her son waiting for a half hour on Georgia Avenue as lines stretched for blocks in Pleasant Plains. Close contacts at school brought Martina here.
I have 3 kids in DC public schools. A friend of ours' kid just came home with COVID positive, and we were hoping to see grandma this weekend.
And are you going to? What do you think?
Well, no, not if we don't have results. Not until we have results. And we'll probably test again on like Wednesday to see if we can see her, you know, just after Christmas or something.
Mayor Bowser asked today, will an increase in cases bring back 2020's COVID restrictions?
So I expect that that's going to warrant some changes in course for us around our emergency response. And when I know more, we'll report it to the people of the district.
I'm tired, but I don't want to ignore it. I don't want to, you know, let the weariness of it make me get lax or not be careful.
Okay, so Lorenzo, what you said at the beginning of the show is so important. 844 coronavirus cases in D.C. reported yesterday, breaking that record. But there are 19 coronavirus cases in D.C.'s ICU wards, just 19. So that's something to keep in mind. The message here tonight, though, Lorenzo, get a booster, be proud of it, put it on your Instagram, you know, just to keep those numbers low. It's the least anybody can do who has not gotten a booster as of yet. Lorenzo, back to you.
Say that again. Get vaccinated, get boosted. And these people there are doing the right thing and getting tested. Mike Valerio, thank you, my friend.